Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to explain you in detail about the what is complete denture. In this video I'll cover mostly the definitions, surface parts, then objectives, then parts of complete denture and the steps involved in fabrications. Okay, so let's begin with the definitions of complete denture. Okay, so what is denture? Basically, what is denture? First we'll know what is denture. Denture is nothing but an artificial substitute for what? For missing natural teeth and adjacent tissues. Okay, this is the definition for dentures. Okay, so what is the definition for complete denture? A removable denture prosthesis that replace the entire dentition associated structures of maxilla or mandible. This is nothing but it is a removable dental prosthesis, okay, that will replace all the dentitions. The people who don't have all the teeth, we can replace it with the artificial tools. Okay, this is called as complete denture. So what is complete denture prosthodontics? The body of knowledge and the skill to restore all the edentulous arch with a removable prosthesis is known as complete denture prosthodontics. Okay, so what are the objectives? What we will see here, objectives, like how we'll see objectives here is complete denture, okay, should satisfy the following certain objectives. First is compatibility with the surrounding oral environment, okay, then mastication, okay, then harmony with the function of the speech, respiration and deglutition. Then is to satisfy the aesthetic, then prevention of remaining oral tissues. Okay, this is the main objectives you should consider, you should see when you are giving a complete denture. Okay, so next is surfaces of complete denture. What are the surfaces you can see in complete denture? So Sir Wilfred Fish in 1948 described a denture as having following three surfaces, with each surface playing an independent and important role in overall fit, stability and the comfort of denture. So what are those? Those surfaces are impression, occlusal surface and polished surface. Okay, so first is impression surface. Definition will see the portion of the denture surface that has its contour determined by the impressions. Okay, so part of denture in contact with the tissues on which the denture rests. The fit of the denture depends on the accuracy of the surfaces. Okay, the contribution to the retention, stability and the support of the denture. So this is the mainly this portion of this impression surface is the portion where the denture surface that has contour determined by the impressions. Okay, the here that it should contribute to the retention, stability and the support of the denture. Okay, so this is how the impression surface look. Okay, it is the behind the surface. Okay, you can see here, appreciate the impression surface of the denture. It is the surface that fits on the tissues which will lies on your gums. Okay, so next is occlusal surface, the surface that is intended to make contact with an opposite occlusion, aid in where it will be useful, mastigation, direct forces to the masticity to support the tissues, contribute to the stability of the denture. Okay, see, this is the occlusal surface, this is the polished surface extended both buccally and lingually. Okay, occlusal surface, here you can see B is the, here you can see the B, that is the occlusal surface. Okay, next is polished or external surface. What is this? That portion of the surface of a denture that extend in an occlusal direction from the border of the denture and includes the palatal surface. It is that part of the denture base that is usually polished, and it includes the buccal and lingual surface of the teeth. So it was termed by the Fisher. It is the external surface of the denture without the teeth. Here it is the external surface of the denture. Okay, should correspond to the contours of the lip, cheek and the tongue, contribute to the retention and the stability. So this is how you can see the A wala, you can see here polished surface extend both buccal and lingual. Here the name arrow you can see A, that is the polished surface. The B is occlusal surface. Okay, so now coming to the component parts of the complete denture. So here there will be a denture base, denture flange, denture border, denture teeth. Okay, so what is denture base? The part of the denture that rests on the foundation tissues and to which teeth are attached. Okay, so forms what does this forms the foundation of the denture. Force applied to the denture are distributed and transmitted to the basal sheath through the denture base. Advocate extension of the denture base help in providing retention and support. So denture base are made of acrylic or resin or metal. Okay, so this is first one is the denture base made of acrylic. Okay, the second one is the denture base made of metal. Okay, so next is denture flange, the part of denture base that extends from the cervical end of the teeth to the denture borders. Okay, so provide peripheral seal and the horizontal stability, classified according to the vestibule where it extends as labial, buccal and the lingual. So labial flange definition, the portion of the flange of a denture that occupies the labial vestibule of the mouth. It provides the lip support. V-shaped notch is provided in labial flange to accommodate the labial frenum. Okay, so here you can see A1 is the labial frenum of the denture with the V-shaped notch to accommodate the here you can see the V shape that is to accommodate the labial frenum. So here B in the second picture you can see the buccal flange of the denture. Okay, where the cheek and the lips are going to accommodate. Here in A you can see the lip accommodation, here you can see the cheek accommodation. So buccal flange definition, the portion of the flange of a denture that occupies the buccal vestibule of the mouth provides the cheek support. Relief is provided to accommodate the buccal frenum. So here the buccal frenum you can see. Okay, so next is lingual flange, the portion of the flange of a mandible denture that occupies the alveolingular sulcus should maintain contact with the tissues of the floor of the mouth. Okay, this is the lingual flange. Okay, where the floor of the mouth should accommodate it. Okay, so what is denture border? The margin of the denture base at the junction of the polished surface and the impression surface. It is responsible to maintain the peripheral seal smooth and polished. It should be smooth and polished. Overextension denture border may cause ulcers. Okay, so it should not be overextended. So border result in loss of peripheral seal and compromise retentions. So this is how the denture border look like. First one is the mandibular denture border and second one is maxillary denture borders. So denture teeth. Function of denture teeth are to improve aesthetic, phonetics and the mastication. They are classified as the following. Based on the type of material used is acrylic and porcelain. So next is based on the morphology of the teeth, anatomic 33 degree or more, or modified anatomic between 30 to 0 degrees. Okay, so what are the steps in fabrication of complete denture? The various procedures involved in the fabrication of complete denture can be divided into both clinically and laboratory procedures. So first we'll see clinical procedures. What you will do is the first you will go with the diagnosis and the treatment planning. When the patient arrives, you will do the diagnosis and you will plan the treatment. So next you will make the impression, then you will send it to the lab, that is making diagnostic cast. Okay, next you will go for the mouth preparation. Fourth, you are going to do primary impression. Fifth, you are going to do primary cast. Then you are going to do fabricate of custom tray. Then you are going to do secondary impression. Then you are going to do the master cast. Then fabrication of occlusal rim. Then you will record the jaw relation. Then you will articulate it. Then you will arrange of the artificial teeth. Then you will give a trial. Then you will process to the denture. Then you will give the final incision. This is the steps involved. These are the steps where you are involved for the complete denture. So in the next videos, in the coming videos, I'm going to take each step in detail. So hope you liked this video. So do like, share and comment, and wait for the next video where I'm going to discuss each and every steps in detail. Thank you.